Nā te ao ko te aturo tāna ko te amarama. Nā te kore tāna ko te kore o te kerikeri. Tāna ko te kore o te whiwhia, tāna ko te kore o te rawia. Tāna ko te kore o te taumaua, tāna ko te kore o te matua, tāna ko maku. Ka moea mahora nui a tea ko te raki. Ka moea pōharo te pō, ko aoraki me raka māma tāna rā tāwhiri a mātea. Ko tū te raki whāno, uire ki te māha nui ki a Maui, ko te atakata ti hei Moriora.
Nei rā te waka o Aoraki, te Waipounam. This is our home. Our tipuna formed its peaks, carved out its rugged coasts, fashioned its lakes and network of rivers, configured its rolling hills, and smoothed its sweeping plains. Waitaha, the first people of Te Waipounam, journeyed here on the Uruao Waka. They were followed by the migrations of Ngāti Māmoe and Ngāi Tahu. By the mid-18th century, through warfare, intermarriage and political alliances, a common allegiance to Ngāi Tahu was formed. Ngāi Tahu wove the traditions and histories of Waitaha, Māmoe and Tahu into a unified single worldview. This united Ngāi Tahu as mana whenua, the tribal authority from Te Parinui o Whiti across to Te Taipotini and down to the Titi Islands. As colonisation tightened its hold, our authority was threatened. Our people were ostracised from our land. Our connections with each other were fragmented, our language and knowledge suppressed.
150 years ago, Ngāi Tahu were the acknowledged owners of all of the South Island except the wedge at the top. Demand for land by European settlers resulted in 9 sales over a 20-year period, starting with the Otago block in 1844, 4 years after the Treaty of Waitangi, followed by the controversial Kemp purchase in 1848, which cost a mere £2,000. In subsequent years, the Ngāi Tahu sold Banks Peninsula in 2 sales, the Murahiku block, Akaroa, the North Canterbury block, the Kaikoura block, the Arahura block, and in 1863 Stewart Island, which was the most expensive at £6,000. The grand total came to £14,800. £1 in those days was a week's wages for an unskilled worker.
In the 20 years from 1844, Ngāi Tahu signed contracts with the Crown for some 34.5 million acres, approximately 80% of Te Waipounam. The Crown did not pay a fair price for the land, nor did they allocate 1/10 of the land to Ngāi Tahu, or honour promises of schools, hospitals and access to traditional food gathering areas. In response to these wrongdoings, Ngāi Tahu rangatira, Matiaha Tira Morehu, wrote a petition to the Crown in 1849, seeking adequate compensation. With the support of all Ngāi Tahu leading chiefs of the time, Tira Morehu in 1857 sent a second letter to Queen Victoria. This was the genesis of Te Kerēme, the Ngāi Tahu claim. Over the ensuing 7 generations, individuals, whānau and hapu continued to pursue the vision of Tira Morehu. For 150 years, our people tirelessly gathered evidence and submitted inquiries. By the time the Ngāi Tahu claim was lodged with the Waitangi Tribunal in 1986, its legitimacy had already been established through commissions, inquiries and tribunals. The Ngāi Tahu Settlement Act was passed in 1998. Ngāi Tahu received cultural, economic and tribal redress, as well as recognition of our tipuna Aoraki, and an apology from the Crown. Today, 20 years since settlement, Ngāi Tahu has a diversified portfolio with major investments in farming, property, seafood and tourism. These commercial activities enable our people to reclaim our identity and culture, better care for our environments, connect our communities, and grow our economy. Mō tātou a mō ka uri a muri ake nei, for us and our children after us.